Hey Explorers, I'm Suhan, and welcome back to Codexplorer, where we learn to code, design, and create cool things in fun and easy ways. Last time, we learned what design is and how everything around us is designed. But have you ever wondered, how do computers, games, and apps actually work? That's what we're exploring today, the world of coding. Coding is how we talk to computers. It's like giving them instructions so they can do what we want. It's just like teaching a robot how to dance, move, or even play a game. Every app, video game, and website you use was made with code. Coding is just another language, but instead of words, we use logic, numbers, and commands. Coding helps you think creatively and solve problems, just like real designers do. When you code, you learn how to plan, test, and fix things when they don't work. And guess what? Those are the same skills that game designers, engineers, and scientists use every day. You see coding everywhere. In your favorite mobile games, in the animations and effects in movies, in cars that drive safely, and even in the apps that you use every day. Coding makes technology come alive. It's the creativity behind the screen. The best way to learn coding is by doing it. You can start with fun, easy tools like Scratch or Tinker, perfect for beginners. In these platforms, you don't need to type complicated code, you just drag and drop colorful blocks that tell the computer what to do. Remember the MYP Design Cycle? We can use it in coding too. Inquire, what problem are you solving? Develop ideas, what will your program do? Create, build your code step by step. Evaluate, test it, fix it, and make it better. Coding is design in action. It's all about planning, making, and improving. So now you know what coding is, why it's important, and where you see it every day. In the next video, we'll start coding our very first project using Scratch, and it's going to be awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the so you don't miss your next creative mission, right here on Codexplorer. Quote.